How to use Alibaba.com message center to reply to a customer. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial for that you may follow up and you should be able to do it easily. So let's just get started with the video. First of all, we need to head over to Alibaba.com and log into our account if we're not logged in. After that, we can directly look at our profile option, usually in the top right corner, and click on it. And from there, select the option for message or messages center. Let's head over to messages. And here we'll be seeing all of our conversation with suppliers or customers. After that, what we can do is we can basically go ahead and click on the conversation that we want to reply. After that, once we're done, so we can type in a message. So go ahead and type in your message, and we can even add in, links, attachments, or product info using the attachment icon and click on send. And while doing so, while you're sending message, make sure that you are being very polite and professional and include your order info if discussing an order, and keep your replies very clear and concise as well, and check for previous messages before sending to avoid repetition. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. It's very simple and easy to contact or reply to a customer using the message center. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.